Quick question. What do you do right now when a patient clearly needs detox? Most centers do one of three things. They send them to a hospital, they refer them to another program they trust, or they quietly turn them away and hope they come back later. Here's what the data actually says. When you send patients out for detox, about 60% never return to your facility for treatment. That means you lose the clinical relationship, the downstream treatment revenue, and you often end up competing against the very place you sent them to. By the time you factor in what you could have earned, plus what it costs to replace that patient, each non-returning detox patient can represent $17,000 to $21,000 or more in lost revenue, and up to $30,000 in replacement cost. Simple example. Out of 20 new admissions in a month, say 10 qualify for detox. If you send those 10 out, you'll lose around 7 of them, on average, to competing centers. You funded the front end, they reap the back end. The alternative is to run ambulatory detox in-house. Using the space you already have, with part-time medical staff, billed at a conservative $425 per day, and structured so you can dual bill detox plus residential once patients stabilize. If you're currently sending detox-eligible patients out and you want to see what an ambulatory detox line would actually do for your numbers, that's what our Ambulatory Detox Assessment and Review is for. Here's what we'll cover: a 12-month ambulatory detox projection based on your census, how much you're losing today by sending patients out, and whether your current space and staffing can realistically support ambulatory detox. If it doesn't pencil out, we'll tell you up front and end the call. Click the link with this video and request your assessment and review, and we'll walk your numbers together.